Fishing is more than a hobby. It's a passion that drives us to explore the water, to seek out new adventure, and to connect with the nature. And there's no better way to do that than with the Stalker V14SS fishing skiff. The V14SS is designed for serious anglers who demand the best. Its wide open deck gives you plenty of room to move around and cast from any angle. And with comfortable seating, you can fish all day without feeling cramped. But what really sets the V14SS apart is its construction. Made of fiberglass, it's both lightweight and durable, giving you years of worry-free use. Plus, the absence of wood construction means it's quieter and has a smoother ride, even in choppy conditions. And with its sleek and modern design and agile maneuverability, the V14SS is the perfect blend of form and function. Its V-hole design slices through the water, providing a stable and efficient ride, and allowing you to get up close and personal with the fish. So why wait? Experience the quiet, smooth ride of the Stalker V14SS and catch more fish today.